We're glad the rain's moving out of our area,
Yes.
though, because there is so much happening this weekend.
Oh, no doubt. Yeah, and the forecast is trending better, which is good news, Jenny. All right,
Yeah.
let's check it out here. Let's unpack it all here this morning. Good morning, everyone. Good Saturday morning. You made it to Saturday, and you know what? In typical true Tampa Bay fashion, there's a ton of things going on this weekend. Of course, we got the Strawberry Festival. We got the Grand Prix in St. Pete, plus all the other. I think the Yankees are playing around 1 o'clock at Steinbrenner, playing the Blue Jays today. So all in all, looking pretty good. All right, so there's that line of showers and storms pushing further to the south as we head towards the Bay Area. We look good. This is 11 o'clock this morning, and you can see that progression with the frontal boundary pushing further to the south. And by 1 o'clock, the further north you get, you start to see more clear sky. So as you're moving through the I-4 corridor, 75, 275, heading further north into New Tampa and perhaps Seminole Heights, all looking good here. Further to the north, you're getting out of the city limits, if you will, and heading up towards Wesley Chapel, all looking good here. Moving up in towards Lutz, no issue whatsoever. All right, so satellite and radar picture here kind of showing the scenario. There is that line of a few showers migrating along the front. So the front continues to sag further to the south, and as it moves further to the south, this would be sort of our favored area for any shower activity or even an isolated storm. All right, bigger picture here, satellite and radar shot, kind of showing, again, the activity, what's left, and there's not much left, is all south of the Bay Area right now here. So south of Pinellas County, south really of the Skyway Bridge, and moving off to the east. All right, temperatures this morning, for the most part, Bartow at 64 here, 63 in Wesley Chapel. Brooksville, you've got 64 as we make our way in towards Hernando and up towards Citrus County. All right, so here's the story. Rainfall forecast as we head in towards Monday, a little bit more potentially trying to move in our direction. Expected rain as we head in towards next week. We've got a couple of shower chances Wednesday and Thursday. Right now, not enough to warrant a weather impact alert, but we'll watch that closely and we'll see if we need to issue one. We'll certainly let you know. All right, marine forecast here for today. Not looking particularly great, but not terrible. Seas are only 2 feet, so at least the seas are low. And the bay is smooth, which is great news. It's just kind of murky outside, and we do have a couple pockets of fog. We'll talk about that coming up in just a little bit as well. All right, so Strawberry Festival today, Plant City forecast. It looks great. Well, inland, I think you're going to do well temperature-wise. Upper 70s. We might flirt with near 80 degrees. Northwestern wind at about 6, and those numbers just continue to come up from 1, 2, 3, 4 o'clock as well. All right, drought conditions here. We got a new drought monitor out on Thursday, and you could see, you know, it really hasn't improved at all. Maybe we might see a slight improvement here after these recent rains. And it looks like, you know, kind of in central Florida here, particularly along the I-4 corridor. That's one of the least dry areas across the state. All right, so 76 today, clouds early. There is a shower chance. It would be south and east of Tampa as you make your way in towards not even so much Polk County, a little further south of Polk County. So as you move your way, Manatee County and inland from Manatee County. Tonight, 60 degrees going to do it. Partly cloudy. It is mild. And as we move in towards tomorrow, 79, mostly sunny. It is warmer as well. And a check of that 7-day forecast shaping up like this. High temperatures over the next few days climb into the lower 80s. We do have shower chances re-emerging Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, but those chances are still at this point pretty low. That is a look at your weather. Let's get a sports check now on this Saturday.